I have still not received any response from our 8th, 10th, 11th, 12th standard students. Very good afternoon, Namaskar and Sat Sri Akal to all of you. Now the students who are standing on my left and the students who are standing on my right, they will stay quiet. They will not speak. They will not respond to my greetings. Only the students standing in front of me, I would like to see their response. Yes, very good afternoon, Namaskar and Sat Sri Akal to all of you. That's wonderful. Now that means all are paying attention. My dear children, I am to share one very important secret of success with all of you. Very important secret of success. And if you all listen, understand, and absorb this secret of success, then nobody, no power in the world can really stop you from becoming successful in your life. मैडम प्लीज चेक द मूवमेंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. ये बच्चे इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं, क्यों घूम रहे हैं? मैडम आप प्लीज, सिमरन मैडम प्लीज सी. यस, dear children, when you have love for your work, when you like your work, when you have passion for your work, then you do that work successfully, you do that work very well, and you excel in your work. And thus you become hugely successful in your life. I am to present students before you who have proved that they have deep love for their work in their heart. That is why their top priority is their school. They never miss their school. They always attend their classes. Whichever other important days are there, those days do not matter to them. For them, all working days are very important at the school. So these students, they deserve everybody's appreciation. These students deserve, rather richly deserve, everybody's applause. Everybody should commend, everybody should admire, and everybody should acknowledge this love, liking for their work, passion for their work, fondness for their work. Please welcome the students studying in class 3rd to 5th who have not remained absent from the school even for one day. Their attendance in the class is 100%. Let us have all these students studying in class 3rd to 5th. Maninda madam, the students studying in class 3rd to 5th. Please bring them on the stage. Clap for them. Not even one day is there when these students remained absent from the school. It is hot day, they are present. It is cold day, they are present. Rainy day, they are present. It is foggy day, they are present. Some important celebrations are there at home, then also they are present. Not only these students, their mummy papa, their parents, they also deserve everybody's appreciation. They guided their children very well. For parents also, school's work, their studies are top priority. So let us appreciate the parents. Let's clap for the parents of all these children. इस तरफ आए, थोड़ा आगे हो जाओ. You also clap for them. Let me also have a photograph with all these students. Convey our regards and best wishes to your parents also. Convey our thanks to your parents. Okay? Very nice. So these are the students of classes 3rd to 5th. Now, there are students of classes 6 to 8. For them also, their education is their top priority. The work of all subjects is their top priority. Learning of all subjects is their top priority. Understanding of everything that is done at the school is their top priority. They like their school, they love education, they love words that they are learning, they love concepts that they are learning at home, they love all activities, they love environment of the school. Therefore, for them also, their school life is their top priority. Their learning at the school is their top priority. Their regularity is the secret of their success. All of them are doing really well in their studies. It is all possible because of their regularity. Their regularity is a source of inspiration for all of us. Please clap for these students whose regularity should be a source of inspiration for everybody in the school. Give them a huge round of applause. Give them a sincere round of applause. Still, हमारे बच्चे appreciate करने में क्यों झिझकते हैं? Let's clap for them, please. अभी भी clapping वो नहीं है जो होनी चाहिए. हम कितनी छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए स्कूल से छुट्टी करते हैं. आज मुझे खांसी आ गई, स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे. आज सर दर्द है, स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे. आज हमारे उस रिश्तेदार के घर में कोई जलसा है, इसलिए स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे. आज मेला है, इसलिए स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे. वो सारे मेले, सारे जलसे, सारी तबीयत जो खराब हुई, इनकी भी हुई. वो जलसे भी हुए, वो मेले भी हुए. इनके लिए स्कूल की एक्टिविटी, स्कूल का काम वही सबसे ऊपर है. तो डेफिनेटली क्लैपिंग तो बनती है. विद्यार्थी हैं तो अपने काम से प्यार करने वाले विद्यार्थी हैं. ऐसे विद्यार्थियों को सराहना चाहिए, दिल से सराहना चाहिए. मुझे बहुत प्रसन्नता है कि आज मैं इतने अच्छे बच्चों के साथ तस्वीर खिंचवा रहा हूँ. इनके साथ खड़े होने का मौका मिला हमें. Lord, many blessings to all these children. Clap for them, please, again. In 9th to 12th, God bless you, dear children. God bless you. Lord, many good wishes to all of you. Convey our blessings, best wishes to your parents also. Very nice. In 9th, now we have the regular students of classes 9 to 12th. 9 to 12th are our senior classes. Number of subjects are there that are to be studied by the children. Very vast syllabus is there that is required to be understood by the children. So that vast syllabus is read with a great degree of fondness by all these students. Among these students, we have such students who in their previous classes have scored 100 on 100 in all subjects. इनमें से ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने पिछली क्लास में हर सब्जेक्ट में 100 में से 100 नंबर लिया. वो जो एक हैबिट है स्कूल से स्कूल में रेगुलर रहने की, रेगुलर अपनी पढ़ाई करने की, ये वाकई में एक ऐसी हैबिट है जो बच्चों को प्रेरित करती है कि वो और किसी काम को वो तरजीह ना दे जो वो अपने काम को दे. इनका अपना काम पढ़ना, सीखना, समझना, रोज़ के आधार पर पहले से बेहतर बनना, और अच्छा बनना, और अच्छा करना, ये इनका भी काम है, हमारा भी काम है, आप सबका काम है. So they are inspiring us all to work better every day, to learn better every day, to improve every day. When we learn better, when we improve every day, then we win our life, we become successful also. I am really feeling proud that I am standing with all these wonderful students of our school who love their work, Those who love their work deserve everybody's appreciation. Please clap for them. You have still not clapped. God bless you, dear children. Very nice. Keep it up. This is a winning habit which you people have developed. जीते रहें. So thank you so much. God bless you all. Let's learn from one another. ऐसे ही एक दूसरे से सीखते जाएं, एक दूसरे से सीखकर एक दूसरे के सक्सेस एलिमेंट्स अपने अंदर डेवलप करें और जिंदगी में खूब तरक्कियां करें. जीते रहें. God bless you. Thank you.